This is my laptop, Realme Book Slim, which I bought 2 days back from Flipkart. It's grey in color, i3 256GB variant. You can see that I have put it into charger, so you can see the light. It's fully charged. You can see the white light. That means it's more than 90% of charge it has. It's still charging. Now I'm going to switch it on. I've pressed it. I think you can hear the sound. It's not booting. So I'm trying a long press if that is the case. You can see it's still not booting. Now the third scenario, I'm trying the double click. I'm waiting. You can see it's still not booting. Thank you.